You finally pick up the phone. What's wrong this time, Shane? You can't be still angry about me mixing your curry, right? It was nothing.
Valeska, you mixed my curry when I was away from my dinner. How can I embrace that? It's a thing to me. You can't even start a word for that, you know? You can't call it nothing. Do you know how gross the curry will be once you mix the curry? The rice will gradually absorb the sauce.
Oh, come on, don't be so childish. You have to embrace it. Try it once and you will find out that mixed curry is a cuisine given by God. I don't believe I can start a war for that. Everyone will love mixed curry.
Do you know what you're saying? Mixed curry is as dry as your grandmother's forehead. It should be thrown into the pit of hell. Why don't you care about my feelings?
Whoa, listen. Don't you ever mention my grandma, okay? Are you saying I care nothing about others' feelings? You care nothing about others' feelings either. This time my grandma went to the store you are working at. You checked the stats so fast that my grandma even got hit by the clothes she bought.
Oh yeah? You want to argue about that? How about you joking about the brand name of my grandfather's wheelchair?
Come on, it literally says karma on the wheelchair. And apparently your grandpa is an asshole.
Even if he's an asshole, you can say that. Oh, you can't say your grandpa is floating either. That's basic respect. You know what? I'm done talking with you. Hey, wake up, you jerk!
Stop hitting me. It hurts. How dare you hit me?
Hey, stop! Look around you.
What? Yo, what the fuck? Where the fuck am I? Is this Minecraft?
Apparently, yes. My left hand is useless. I can only use my right hand to punch you.
What? I'm alright.
Is that funny to you?
I can't believe I'm here with you.
Is that the most important thing you can think of?
The most important thing? Wait. Oh my god, I'm flat as Rose in Japan!
Shut up! That's not the point either. In addition, you're already flat like that in real life.
You can't even follow basic respect in this world, but you're right about my flat chest.
I have no words to say. You know what? What we should talk about is why are we here? Do you have any clue?
Okay. To be honest, I have no idea what is happening right now. What was the last thing you did before you became vlogs?
I went to my bed and that's all. What about you?
I think I fell asleep on my couch.
What?
With my TV on and Coke and chips beside me.
How nerd you are.
Hey, respect!
Hey, you blocks.
Oh my god, it's a villager! Oh, it's uglier to see him in person. Look at his nose.
Holy shit, you're right.
Respect, blocks.
Oh shit, he's got power.
First of all, I am not a villager. Second, I am in charge of this world, so be polite. Finally, you two seems to be lost, and I'm here to help.
Your help is to trap us in Minecraft? Seriously? And I suspect you are plagiarizing another game.
Oh, it does like It Takes Two.
Silence! You will need to learn how to respect each other.
I have nothing to learn, and she can't learn it. Done.
Did you hear that? He said he has nothing to learn. How ridiculous. I'm so done with this vlog. Let me out of here.
Stop. Everyone can see that something happened between you two. Here's a list for you to accomplish. After checking all the lists, you may return to real life. Until then, remember, you must cooperate with each other. You can't do it alone.
Oh my
Yo,
god,
what
is he
the
dead?
fuck?
I Can't believe I'm trapped here and forced to do all of this for the curry.
What do you mean? It's even none of my business. I was innocent. It's all your fault.
Is it all my fault? You should listen. Did I just go to the afterworld?
What happened?
Check the list, my children.
Who are your children?
Falling asleep in a good mood, and it says you cannot fight for a day in Minecraft, or the time will be reset to daytime.
That's why we died.
They got a sign.
The difficulty of the game is hard. You all know how to play this game. If you die, the time will also be reset. Good luck on your journey.
I can't believe we need to actually try to survive in Minecraft.
The difficulty is hard.
Valeska, I have so many things to complain about, but I think we need to cooperate. We can't die of hunger.
Great. I don't want to starve to death.
Wow, the world of blocks.
Hey, there are cows. Let's go kill them.
Yo, what the?
The cows in Minecraft weren't screaming like this, were they?
No, I don't think so. But it's really nice to hear something familiar here.
What? Oh, the scream sounds like a friend of ours, right?
You know what I'm talking about.
Okay, next, we need to cook it. Here comes the question. We have 3 pieces of steak, so who's gonna have 2?
What are you saying? Of course, all mine.
All yours? That doesn't make any sense. Hey! Freeze! Freeze! Bro, I don't want to experience the afterworld again. We both need food to survive.
But it was you who makes my curry and led to this situation.
Wasn't you the one who said we need to cooperate? We're already in the middle of the day. Don't let us restart again, okay? Love and peace.
Nope.
What's wrong with you?
Okay, chill. I'm just kidding.
Are we on the same page now?
That's for the curry.
Wait, did you hear that? That sounds familiar.
Is that a zombie? Holy fuck! Holy shit,
I can deal with it.
Die! Oh my god, help! Help! Someone help me!
Stay away
Oh
from the door
my
and
God.
stop screaming.
No! We're actually facing a biochemical crisis! No!
Oh, we have played Resident Evil so many times. Nothing, okay?
Why would you open that
Wait.
goddamn
It's
door?
much more than I expected. Wait. Resident Evil is so tiring.
I lost my voice.
I mean, you didn't have to be that panic, you know?
Right.
Hey, Shay. Are you still awake?
Mm.
What do you feel after becoming blocks?
Not bad. Except for the Resident Evil part.
Well, I think it was pretty fun.
Fuck you.
Alright, I was just joking. Let's be real for a moment. It's pretty cool to become a part of the game, right? Like what we all once imagined.
Yeah, it does.
Shay, you enjoy the process even though you're with me and we're a piece of each other? Am I on a plan?
Is this Apex?
What? Apex?
Hey, there's a button that says parachute. I'm
no,
pushing
wait.
it.
No. Whoa. What's wrong with you? Can't you see there are so many people there? What's wrong with you?
Yeah,
Holy shit, what the fuck? Shay, I will hate you for the rest of my life. Can't you see there are even master here?
Yeah, I
don't
know,
want to
but-
take bullets. I'm not
it's
in
okay,
America.
we're
I don't
fine.
want to hold guns by
Okay,
myself.
but
Okay, holy
wait,
shit.
hold on, I don't think we can wait. Okay, no, you're dead.
I'm
Okay,
down,
okay.
Shay.
I can deal with it. Okay,
take
just
me.
chill. But there's
Hold on. Shane,
Yeah.
haven't you had enough of the afterlife?
Oh.
I'm so done with it, okay? I don't want to go
sorry
there.
about that.
Again, ever
Yeah.
again.
Yeah, I know.
So this time, I will be the jump leader, okay?
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
We'll jump there, okay?
alright.
Just be nice and chill.
Okay,
We are here to get our best result,
of course.
not take bullets, okay?
Yeah, I know.
Hey, I'm actually surprised that I won't get tired of running.
Oh, wait, me too.
I think I can only run up to 10 steps at most in real life.
Ha! Nerd.
Hey, there are people! I'll go there first.
Wait, what did you just say? Chill and nice?
It's okay, I think I could do that.
No, I'm not sure about that.
There's only one person. I can do it.
No, I think we'll die. Hold on,
Nah,
wait.
I won't take bullets.
No.
Hey, I'm in charge, okay?
No, I don't think so. Just wait.
Wait, where? Oh, wait, there are two
Okay, now you're
people
going to
here.
die.
Shay,
Yeah. I'm
Shay, can you
here.
help
What
me?
are you
Can
doing?
you help
what
me?
the fuck are
Oh.
you doing?
I'm sorry.
Why did you do
I'm
that?
down. I'm dying.
Oh,
Holy fuck. Valeska, we need to talk.
What?
Why are you so bad at Blood Hunter?
Excuse me? I don't think it should be you to say this to me. You thought you were lifeline when you were playing Blood Hunter.
Hey Valeska. Here come presents.
What are you going to explain about that?
You are roasting me about this? Then what about you scanning into the floor when you were Blood Hunter? What are you scanning? That worm?
You wanna fight? Then the bubble you threw into the lava? Can you throw a bubble?
Okay.
Seriously?
Would you just shut up? We should talk about something we truly need to solve between us.
Something that we truly need to solve. I am tired of your speech.
Did you just hit me? How dare you do that? Why are you always like this?
I can't believe you shot me. Fine, I'll do this with you.
Why can't you be kind to me? Aren't we friends?
What do you mean? I want to be kind to you, but you always treat me badly.
I say mean words to you because you said it first. You have no idea how much I treasure our friendship.
I value our friendship a lot, okay? I don't know when we started to be like this. I want to go back to the old days when we first met in Minecraft.
Me too. I really want to go back to the time when we don't yell at each other. Do you think we still have a chance to rebuild our friendship?
Shane, I think as long as we are willing to rebuild it together, then we will make it. Just like the old days.
I'm sorry about what I have done. I shouldn't be so mad about you mixing my curry.
No, I'm sorry for mixing your curry. I knew you didn't like it, but I still did it. I'm an asshole.
No, it's okay.
I will ask for your opinion and inform you of every information you need to know during the match. I promise.
I won't yell at you anymore, and I won't put my guns on you anymore.
Please make a promise of you would never ever put your gun against me. That's important.
I promise.
Fuck you! You are just as asshole as you were. Should we do our best performance then?
Sure.
Let's go.
Congratulations! You two have done all the checklists perfectly. Now, your friendship may be rebuilt.
Oh my god.
Man, that was oh my god.
What's happening?
I'm so glad you made it. I knew you could. Now, Valeska, do you take shame for your lawful husband to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do you part?
Yo, wait, what the fuck? Yo, I'm not marrying this guy, okay?
Is this still part of the game? I'm out.
Can you see how ugly he is?
Excuse me? Look at yourself.
Silence, silence. I was just joking. You say something to your best friend. You may leave. My job here is done.
Oh, that's all? He just disappeared like that?
Is he finally gone?
Shane?
Oh, for real?
I'm so sorry about being so mean and messing up your curry. I shouldn't have done that. I take back every mean word.
Nah, it's okay now. I'm also sorry about my harsh attitude to you. I didn't respect you at all. I'm sorry about that.
Are we good?
Yeah,
I'm glad to be your friend again.
me too. Valeska, I need to tell you one more thing.
Bring it on, nothing can break our friendship now.
I was the one who put the pineapple pizza under your pillow. It became much more stinky than I expected. I'm so sorry.
What? You did that, you little piece of
极度可怕，极度可怕。
斯巴尼亚。Hey vlogs。等一下，是我要讲白痴啊！
完了，这样会不会被你们学校说炸鱼啊？有 Q 帮我放